gonna watch out
On
for
my
boats.
mark 3.
Okay.
Yo, guys, top 6. There's six teams left, so this
Right.
is endgame.
They're all fighting each other
Yep.
too.
Yep, let's just sit
We'll
tight.
just keep it
let 'em
tight.
Fight. Yep. So
Keep
do
it
what
tight,
we do,
you know what I'm saying?
I could use some ammo, Jordan, if you want to throw it down.
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
yeah, yeah.
Thank you.
Watch for drones too.
Somebody's shooting over here.
I'm gonna pop my drone.
So be careful.
There's 6 teams but 14 people. That means there's a lot of duos.
Okay. True.
All right, drone
'Cause-
done. Drone
My-
done.
My drone just
We're
got
a
up.
quad. We're a quad. So that means we take up. There's
Our
6
quad.
teams. No,
Yeah.
we're a quad. So that means out of the 13, 12 people left, we're 4 of them. There's 5 teams that's made up of only 8 people.
Yeah, and they're all.
Most
I see
people are
them all.
solos.
There's so many people on the back, the absolute back of
I
the
thought
map.
that was-
Oh yeah,
dude.
yep. Look at the mini map. Look at
Yeah,
the mini map.
I'm
They're all
marking
over
them.
here. There's a squad of 4 probably
Yeah,
over there.
there's a squad of 4, and they're fighting. They just killed a guy.
We gotta move up. I'm gonna move up to that vehicle
The
resupply.
whole squad is moving to
Or
3.
should we wait? Because I guess we don't have to move
Wait.
right this second.
I would
just
say
don't wanna
wait.
get stuck in this incline. Okay.
Yeah, we can like pull
still
up
got
in
your
a
drone?
second.
No, my drone's gone.
All right, pop in.
They are really making that anti-tank available for us, or for
Yeah.
them.
We're gonna need good infantry to support to suppress that.
Wow! What did you click that on him?
No, I was just showing it.
Oh.
And he like,
I was like, don't clip it onto him. I cannot aim low
All right,
enough.
it's a squad here on 3,
Okay.
and they're getting shot at right now by another squad.
Nice.
So they
4
might be
teams
coming
left.
our way.
4 teams left, boys.
Yeah.
But you know what? Oh yeah, no, they're not moving.
11 players, and we
Stand back.
are.
Let's
well,
keep
we're-
the
we're
drones
four
up.
of
I
them.
like
We're
that,
4 of
dude.
them. Yeah, we're 4 of them. There's
Oh,
3 teams
squads.
full of.
Okay,
There's
I'm
a
popping
drone.
a drone.
By 3.
I'm popping a drone. Yep. Okay.
All right.
Do
Hey,
you
the
need
fire's
more
coming,
ammo,
so you
Jordan? Should I resupply?
Yeah, I've only got 60 rounds.
Or should I go up? You need more? Okay,
Yeah.
Okay.
gotcha.
I'm gonna have to jump out like after a little bit.
Yep.
This is good.
Be careful on 3. There's people there on 3 on the roof. So if you see,
Oh, on the roof.
And there was
Yeah.
I
a
could shoot
drone.
him on
I don't
the roof.
see the drone.
yeah, it's a drone over there
Oh, there's
too.
guys on
Yep.
the right. There's guys on the right.
I'm
Two
about
guys.
full, Keith.
330. And then there's guys inside the building.
I'm gonna
here,
try to
too.
get up this hill over here.
Yep.
Yep, on 3.
There's a guy back
3
behind
and
us.
4.
Behind us.
Oh.
He's right here. He's right here.
Yep. Keith.
It's just one. Is he one?
It's just one. Yep. Push him. Push him.
There's
Alright,
a drone
push
self-destructing right behind me.
Yep.
Watch out.
Get out and heal the tank. Get out and heal the tank.
I
I'm out.
killed
I'm
this
out.
guy.
I'm out.
He's right there.
I killed this
He's
guy.
sabotaged.
I killed him. I killed him.
There's another
I
one.
killed him.
I had to get out. Back it up.
There's
Back
a
it up. We got
sniper.
hard
There's a
cover over here.
sniper.
Back it up. We got hard cover.
Can you repair it? Can you repair it?
Right here. Nope.
They're on the
nope,
road. They're on the
take
road.
spot.
They're on the
Back
road.
up. Stay together. I'm putting down
Repair it
smoke
if
for
you
us.
Yeah,
I
repair,
can
repair.
try. It's gonna be a long shot. Oh, I'm
Ah.
putting down smoke on us.
Okay.
I think we go left here. I think we go
go
left.
left.
There's
Stay
people over there
either
too.
right
So
here
a squad
or we
of 2
go down.
over there.
Yep, they're in
pop
the
it.
vehicle.
Oh.
They're in the vehicle. He got
I'm
in the
on it.
gunner seat. Gunner seat. They're shooting rockets too at
I hit it.
Or you
I
shot
hit the
a
tank.
rocket.
I'm popping a drone. I'm popping a drone.
I don't know where it went, but I hit the tank or the vehicle.
He's over here. On my mark. On 3.
Okay, I see that.
Behind this car.
Yep.
Oh, right next to us. Right next to us. On the right. On the right. On the right.
Okay. I'm coming.
I'm alive still, but I think he's still up. Nope. Keep
Robert,
going.
we need you.
He just
I'm
ran
up here.
down
I'm
the hill.
here. I'm here.
Don't chase too much.
I
On
got it.
3,
I see a
there's 2
guy. I see a
squads.
guy.
On 3.
I'm
On
gonna
mark
pop
3.
a drone. I'm popping a drone.
Alright. I'm getting closer.
Yep, there's
I'm gonna
one
get under
here.
the he don't know we're here.
Oh.
He don't know we're there.
Last guy. He looks
He
to
don't
be
know.
alone.
I'm marking him.
I hit him good.
Yeah.
Two Pete.
Let's go. Again.
God.
Yes.
Yes.
Dude.
We have a
Yes.
Back
winning
to back.
strategy. This strategy
We do, man.
might be
Two Pete.
undefeatable. Well, we gotta keep going. We gotta go until we
We gotta.
We gotta keep going.
gotta.
We have to keep going. We have to
Get a
keep going.
three-piece, dude. Look at that
Wow.
silent shotgun, dude. Oh, that thing's dope.
Wow.
And you got kills.